How to fix login error on Sephora. If you wish to fix some of the login errors that you're facing on Sephora, what you can try to do is first try to check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If you're using the Sephora app on Android, long press the Sephora app icon, tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page, and from here go to storage usage and tap on clear cache, and you can try to clear the data. Go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the Sephora app, check if the app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. If you're still not being able to log in, chances are that you could be typing in incorrect credentials. So you can try to recheck your email and password once again to see if that helps you. In case you forgot your password, you can tap on the forgot password button over there to try to reset it. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.